female. Lord help me. They're like talking about like killing men here. So the problem, guys, is the truck was moved. I have been recognized. I have been shouted at. Somebody knew exactly who I was. They even knew what outlet I was for too. They named 3 outlets that they knew I was for. Right now we're trying to catch up. These poor cars. I know the quality's bad, guys. Are we sure it went this way?
That's what everyone called. The police got him out. They got police escorted out.
Yeah. So things have gotten violent down here. Just so you guys know, I've seen a car get destroyed. I was right freaking there. I think I've been called a Nazi like 3 times today for using my phone and recording things. I smell marijuana. Smell that? Yeah. So it was very peaceful earlier when it was just old white women, but now they're leaving and now it's my generation taking over and they're going crazy. So there was a giant Trump truck that was here. I recorded it on Thursday night as well. And it got stopped by a bunch of protesters and it just got police escorted out. Right now we're walking down DC and there are thousands of people walking around us. I'm so mad that my phone service wasn't working earlier because we had some great video. I'll be posting the video later. As much as I got.
Where they were.
Yeah, let's go over here. Alright, I got these guys on Segways. We should have got a Segway. Let's hope they don't destroy Starbucks again. You saw that. That was a guy with a bra on saying Trump grabbed my pussy and he's walking, holding hands with his 2 children. Things are getting violent to my left. I'll show you. This guy's just trying to give a segue toward everybody. Alright, so originally the march was walking around the White House and the Capitol, but now people are just still walking around with nothing to do. They're all busted by George Soros' organizations and they're just sitting here. This is the last straw. Oh, that's good. That's 5-star trolling right there. Probably my favorite sign I've seen today.
I prefer Johnson.
For what?
I prefer Johnson.
Princess Leia just walked by.
Ben?
Yes.
I feel so bad for the Segway tour. They're just trying to drive around and stuff. Let's go on the street. Everyone else is. Poor connection. Sorry guys, we're trying our best. Cell towers out here down. Wow, figures we get video right when nothing interesting is going on. This sucks.
When everyone stopped recording.
Yeah, I know.